Hello guys, this is Mohammed Rafiq with you. In this video, let me show you how to remove background from signature in Microsoft Word. So without further delay, let's get it started. First, I will remove this signature from here. Now, add your original signature which you want to remove the background. For that, click on Insert here, then click on Pictures, then click on this device and choose the signature photo from your computer. Now the signature is added to Word. You can see that. Now click on Rotate to align the signature properly. Now double-click on the picture and click on Crop to remove unwanted areas from the picture. Okay, now the picture is properly cropped, and be careful that don't remove the signature part. Now click on the photo, adjust the photo size properly. Now click on Insert, then click on Shapes to add any of the shapes like circle or rectangle from it. Here, I will add rectangle for better understanding to visible the background of the signature properly. Watch the video without skip, then you can understand why I'm adding this. Okay, now the rectangle shape is added. Move the rectangle little aside and right-click on the signature and select Wrap Text and click in front of text. Now the signature position came to front side. Adjust the signature above the rectangle. Now right-click on the signature, click on Format Picture. Here you can see 4 options. First one, Fill. Second one is Shadows. Third one is Dimensions. And fourth one is Image. Click on Image option, then expand Picture Corrections, adjust the sharpness to 100% and adjust brightness to 30% and contrast adjust to 100%. Now you can see that the signature background is totally changed to white. But still, if I move the signature or background, the signature background white is visible, and that not look natural. That's why I put the background to differentiate the signature background to visible clearly. Now double-click on the signature, click on Color. Here, click on Set Transparent Color. Then click on the white background part on the signature. Now you can see that the background is changed to transparent blue color. Now, if you move rectangular background or signature, there is no white background now. Now click on the rectangular background and delete it. Here you can see that now the signature looks perfect and real. There is no background on it. Now you can resize the signature like this, and you can move the signature and you can arrange it wherever you want. That's all, guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.